Guys, welcome back to another video, Exeter St David's. You can see a 150 just turned up on platform 3, 150 246 on the train. This is not a passenger service, so it's just well, I'm assuming just a little test run. Yeah, so welcome back to another video on this Sunday evening. What you'll be seeing services is from Great Western Railway, Crosscountry and South Western Railway as well. So another full normal working service, and this will be the last kind of video I'll do at St David's for a while, would you believe? The reason why is there'll be engineering works going on from tomorrow until about the 8th, 9th of March, I believe. So there's no trains going from in between Taunton and Exeter St David's. Be a weird kind of services going on from tomorrow. What I'm planning to do is, guys, I'm going to be planning to make some videos at Central. I was going to plan to make a video every single day at St David's during the February half term, but I can't obviously really, because it's not going to be, well, it's not going to be frequently many trains here. I'll come down to St David's, see what happens, and see if I can still make a video. But yeah, it's going to be weird services. I think the Central might be busier than St David's for once. So yeah, that'll be the situation so far. I went to Bristol Town Meads yesterday, guys, to make a video or two for you. I hope you enjoyed those. I uploaded the part 1 of my Bristol Town Meads today, so go and check that out. Yeah. Plan to probably go to Plymouth during the February half term. I did say I was going to go to Plymouth a few weeks ago, but I didn't manage to get to Plymouth, so I will go to Plymouth during the February half term. Don't know what day yet, but yeah, as you can see, we've got another train coming in. So we're going to Exmouth. It's formed of 3 coaches. One 153 329 will now be at the back, and the 150 247 will now be at the front. So we got the 246 and 247 here now. I think this is this 150 going back to go out now, guys. So we'll shall we keep the camera rolling? I don't know. So yeah, like I said, guys, this will be the last full video I'm going to be doing at St David's for a while, I would say. Yeah, we'll keep the camera rolling. It's about to leave. Now I'm hoping that 150 is going to go into the depot for a wash, because he's quite filthy. I expect he is going into the depot probably. I'll wait and see on that. So yeah, like I said, guys, this will probably be my last big full video here at St David's. So yeah, so we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Hey guys, we're back. Do you have that 150 coming into the depot? So I'll film this while I wait for some more trains to come in. See a sneaky little pacer right at the back there. I'll keep the camera rolling, guys, because we got looks like we got a 6-coach South Western Railway coming in from London Waterloo. This is obviously terminated here, like they always do. 159003 at the back in the blue and silver livery, and the 159020 at the back. And we'll keep the camera rolling because it looks like we got the Exeter train back to depart as well. Should see some longer trains in a minute, guys. So here's a question, guys. Will the 153s be around for much longer? Have to let me know in the comment section below. I think the 150s are staying down here. I believe the 158s are replacing the good old Pacers by the end of 2019, I think. I've been told. So yeah, times are changing, different trains. Don't know if there'll be many HSTs around by the end of 2019. I doubt it. We still may see the odd one or two. Be nice to see some castle sets this year. Still haven't seen one yet. Well, I did see a castle set last year, which was a nice little surprise. So yeah, be nice if you could see the castle sets down here. Anyway, guys, we'll come back in a few minutes with, well, you know what I'm going to say, guys. I don't say anything else, do I? And I know you love me saying this. Another train. Okay, guys, we're back. There's been a quest to show you, to show you what's happening with the depot work here at St David's. Bit more progress since the last time I showed you it. Looks like they finished the little thing here. Looks like they put some doors on. I'm not quite sure what that's for. Have to let me know in the comments. I think they've done a bit more progress on the upper stands there, as you can see. And just basically, really, still empty spaces down here. I can see a 158 right at the back there. 153 and a 150. Okay, guys, we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Hey guys, we're back. Looks like we got the South Western Railway train going out. It's got to go out to the depot. I'm assuming you'll come back for a service later on. Probably back to London Waterloo. Nice little two-tone there. Another train coming in soon, guys. There'll be an IET going to London Paddington. So yeah, but they've done a bit more progress to the works, like I said. Stand there and that little thing there. Looks like they've got barriers down there now with the trains. Interesting. Be nice to see what the finished product would be with the depot work. Should have a great, yeah, we do have the IET coming in now, guys, so we'll keep the camera rolling. Obviously this will be the familiar site now, IETs now instead of HSTs. Don't need to tell me how many times this is obviously sad that the HSTs are going. So on one of these IETs yesterday. Don't mind the IETs. Just their seats are uncomfortable. 800 301 on the train, so that'll be a 9 coach. So we'll come back in a few seconds once it departs. Wait for it to stop. Okay guys, I'm back. The landing pattern is about to depart. I'll make this video in between 20 to 30 minutes long. Okay guys, how's that train pattern? He's on time, good to see. Okay, we'll come back in a few minutes with, well, you know what we're going to say here, another train. Okay guys, we're back, got another train coming in, going to Exeter.
17:15 bus service to Exeter Airport.
A pacer at the front with a 153 at the back.
17:15 bus service to Exeter Airport.
We'll come over on platform 5 and record here.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be
143617 now will be at the back. And the 153361 will now be at the front. So yeah, like I said guys, like I said a million times in this video, this will probably be my last normal full video on a Sunday here at St David's. I think they're doing the engineer work in between Taunton and St David's for at least a month, I think. So yeah. Okay guys, we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, we're back. Got the Exeter service back to depart over on platform 1, and we have a IT coming in. Well, it will be coming in onto platform 4 shortly, going to Newton Abbot. Reason why it's only going as far as Newton Abbot, because there's more engineering works in between, near Plymouth and Penzance. A few freight trains came through last night, but unfortunately I wasn't here to see them. A lot of engineering works happening down here near Exeter, Plymouth and Penzance. Much needed for our railway, of course, the engineering works. Keeps the trains moving along nicely and keeps the railways looking rather new. Hey guys, I'll come back in a few seconds. Hey guys, quickly back. We have the IET coming in now. Going to Newton Abbot. Another IET, I know. Would be nice to see an HST in this video, but I don't think we will see one. This is 9 coaches, so probably it's got the number, the 300 bit on. We'll get the number now. No, 802101 on the train. Hey guys, we're back. So you got the Great Western Railway service to Newton Abbot back to depart. Like I said, all the longer trains only go as far as Newton Abbot due to the engineer works at Plymouth and Penzance Way. And we should finally have a cross-country service coming in, going to Leeds as well. 221 139 on the cross-country service to Leeds. I have to admit, the IETs do have a great acceleration when going out. Okay guys, we'll come back in a few seconds once this cross-country train departs. Okay guys, we're back. We've got the cross-country service to Leeds back to depart. And the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo over on platform 1 back to leave as well. And we should have another cross-country service coming in, going to Newton Abbot. There's the cross-country HST coming in, guys. (43.301) at the front. We can try and catch them at the back, can we? We'll catch the number at the back as it goes out, so we'll come back then. Hey guys, we're back. Got a train coming out of the depot. It's my follower, the 153333. (150.261). And a 158763 at the back. How about that for a combination? A 150.248 on platform 3. So yeah, a 153 at the front, a 150 in the middle, and a 158 at the back. I've never seen that combination before. (43.207) at the back. Right, well, I think that combination that just went up there will come back. Will that come onto platform 5? That combination may come onto platform 5 for the Bristol 7 Mees train. So we'll come back in a few seconds. There you guys, quickly back. We got this brilliant combination coming in. So you're coming on to platform 5 or going back in the depot? It's coming into platform 5, so that will be the Bristol 7 Mees train. Well, you don't often see that for a combination, do you guys? A 153 at the back now, I'll see, and the 150 in the middle, and the 158 is now at the front. Well, first time I've seen that. So let me know in the comments, guys, if you've seen this combination before. Okay, guys, we'll come back in a few seconds with any more trains. Okay, guys, as that brilliant combination came in on platform 5, I'll leave it here. Thank you ever so much for watching. It's greatly appreciated as always. Quite a nice variety of trains today in this sunny evening, especially like this combination here that just arrived, going to Bristol to Meads. It will be in about 10 or 15 minutes time. So yeah, from the cross-country trains, obviously to the IETs. We saw that cross-country HST, so we did see a HST. Shame we didn't see a Great Western HST. That would have been even more special, wouldn't it? But yeah, hope you liked the video, guys. I will be making more videos throughout next week, throughout February half term. Don't know if it'll be at St David's, maybe, but I'm planning to make videos at Central because I think there's a few trains that are getting diverted through Central. So I'll probably be making my videos there. So yeah, hope you like the video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next video. And with me here at St David's, with my follower next to me, thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Cheers.